Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn text to columns feature, which is an amazing feature. This feature is used to split the text into multiple columns. The feature can be used when we export the data from database or if data is in CSV or text format. To use this feature, go to Data tab and under Data Tools group, click on Text to Columns. In first example, we have data separated by comma in a single cell, and to separate each number in different cells or columns, select the cell, go to Data tab, and under Data Tools, click on Text to Columns. Select Delimited option, click Next button, select checkbox for comma, click Next button. Now in destination field, you can select any cell, else it will overwrite the data. Click Finish button. Now the data is separated in different columns. Now select the data using Ctrl, Shift and right arrow key. Press Ctrl C to copy the data. Select any cell. So I'm selecting A3. Go to Home tab and click arrow under the paste option and click transpose option. Now the data is available in individual rows. In second example, we have data separated by comma in a single column. This data is exported from a database. Now to convert the data in tabular format so that each field comes in a separate column, select the data using Ctrl A, go to Data tab and under Data Tools group, click on Text to Columns. Delimited option is already selected. Click Next button. Comma is already selected. Here we are selecting comma again because the data is separated by comma. Click Next button. Now the data is separated by the column and each column is showing the data type. For date of joining field, select the field and select date option. Click Finish button. Now the complete data is separated in different columns. In third example, we have dates in different formats. Now to change the date in a specific format, select the data using Ctrl A, go to Data tab and under Data Tools group, click on Text to Columns. Again, delimited option is already selected, so click Next button. Now remove all the options here and click Next button. Now select Date option and click Finish button. Now the data is converted into required date format. So in this way, we can use text to columns feature to split the single column of text into multiple columns. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.